starting off the vlog very early in the morning. As you can see, the sun is barely out, but right now we are packing our bags. We're getting ready to get the fuck out of here and getting ready to leave New York. You can tell by today's vlog, we are going to Miami, guys. So, you know, you gotta drip out a little bit. Got the LV, got the Burberry, but yeah, we're heading up to Miami. But yeah, we are heading out. Got the fit ready and everything. Took mine the socks. Yeah, we gotta head out. We gotta head to the airport. Uber's on the way to get me, so yeah, we gotta be out. Alrighty, guys, before we head out, I'm gonna say goodbye to the car. I miss you. I love this car so much, bro. Gotta say bye before I go, because ain't no car like this in fucking Florida, bro. Ain't no car like this. Ain't no car on bags, bro. Get bags, guys. Get bags. Get stars. Get stars. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it, man. You see it. Finally got through TSA, bro. Where's fucking car? Yeah, that shit annoying, bro. Yeah, we're finally done. Just about to get shit together and then gotta head to the gate. Sheesh, peep the view, guys. Peep the fucking view. Really has more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We just landed. We out here in Miami. Type shit, type shit. Finally got the bags. We better catch an Uber. Head to the hotel. Type shit. I don't even know what we're doing here, bro. It's like low-key a surprise, but alright, we're gonna see what we got in store. Breeze. What? This type of fire right here, bro. It's not gonna lie to you. It's not like warm, but it has a little breeze type shit, bro. It's fire. Oh, what the frick? Oh, but this is for everybody, but it's tough. Shit. Yo, the hotel is fucking sick, yo. Yes. McDonald's right there. Supposedly there's a restaurant and a pool on top there. Shit. Oh, that's a bunch of green, bro. Holy shit. Everywhere is green, bro. Unlike New York, it's just buildings and houses, bro. Shit. A little PJ set up. Yo, Joseph, where you at, gang? Where you at? Changing the shorts is fucking hot. Oh, yeah, guys, that's the hotel. That shit's so fucking far, bro. I think it's new. Got the Euros. Tight shit though, bro. That shit's tough. Shit's actually fire, bro. Goddamn Rolls Royce.
You know, we didn't come in here, right?
No, I didn't. S-Class. Range. Got the Bentley shit. Got the Scat Pack. Type shit. Type shit. Scatty. Another Rolls Royce. Shit. Type shit though. It's tough. The Audi R8, soft top Spider, Genesis, those low-key tough. Another Range Rover. Yes sir, we got a Benz. I think this is the E63. Ooh, shit. S65. But it is an AMG though, so it's tough. Got the Corvette skis, Z06. He's rich. He's rich. I'm trying to be like him when I grow up. YouTube's currently the next day. We got the first piece. So I figure out the surprise one here. It's a car show, so it's right across the street. So we gotta go to that shit right now. Let's get it. Yeah, that's so tough. AMG with another Ferrari. Yo, rich, my brother, rich. Oh, we got the Red Bull Formula 1 car. Nah, it's tough.
Thank you, friend.
Yeah, Spider. Already. Oh, SF90. Reps tough. Yeah. This yo, Florida's different. Shelby. Ooh, it's not like SVJ. Rolls Royce. Orange guns. Yo, they got the Cybertruck out. Yay. G82. Yo, G87 M2, the baby blue color. SLS. Yo, it's lit here, bro. Shit. GTR. Carbon. Shit, is that an M8 or is it Alpina B8? Confusing. R32 over there in the back. Shit. Yo, E46 M3 with a roll cage. Please. Got the G-Wag 6x6. Got the C63 with the camera setup. Yo, it's tough. Yo, supercharger and an M3 E92 with a wide body kit. Yes. Yo, the G80. The Carbon, my guy. Shit. Yo, I'm out to Florida, bro. It's tough. Yo, leave this spec on the S-Class, bro. It's tough. Shit, peep the wheels, bro. Yo. Wait, I think I know that nigga, bro. He's on YouTube. Shit, tough.
Yo, what's up, Trini?
Yo, that's Trini M4. Yo, he wrapped it. Oh, look at this R32 record built up. Big ass turbo. Yo, look at the crowd, bro. G63 red. M3 CS. Yo. Tint is tinted. Yo, C43, bro. That's me next, bro. I don't like coupes. Don't like coupes, but CS, my boy. Yo, we got the 240. Ty, that's you, bro. Is that another M240 or is that an M2? It is an M2, bro. This shit's tough, bro. This shit's growing on me. Is that a RS6? Yo, F82. Yo, niggas is rich here, bro. I'm out here, bro. I need to get my money up. RS6. This shit's V8 twin turbo. This shit's fire. Yo. Sheesh. Crank Cub, my boy. Crank Cub. Got another RS ski box on top. It's tough, my boy. It's tough. RS5 green. Keep the bikes. Oh, low-key tough. Low-key tough. Shit. Carbon front. Bunch of carbon. Shit. Active, my boy. What is that? What is that? G63 with big ass wing. I'm green. Clarence. Shit. Rich. Rich. Yo, this nigga's bold, bro. Wrapped Trump 2024 and the new Cybertruck. He's bold. What, bro? At a car show? That's crazy. Bro, that's different. Bro, Florida is straight different, my boy. Yo, it's out here, bro. We out here. That shit, though, I'm crazy for that shit, bro. Nah, yeah, bro. Look at the F1 cars, bro. That shit's so tough. So tough. Yo, Bugatti, bro, this is so fire. Yo. Get it, my boy. Get it, my boy. Yes, sir. Jordy is tweaking right now. Sup for her. Boy, 40? And you got drag packs in the back? Oh my god, yo! 40? Let's fucking go, my boy. Watch, that's Trini's M4. Behind him, that's Trini 4 M4's Vans.
Up there.
Yeah, my boy. See it, my boy, you see it. Keep the view, my guys, keep the view. But yeah, the meet's over, so this is about to wrap up the vlog, so Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like, subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.